Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we are gonna just discuss about 15 important Python libraries every Python developer or even a data scientist should know. So before that, do like, share and subscribe my channel and also don't forget to comment your favorite Python library at the end of the video. So let us get into the topic. Our first Python library is Scrappy. So Scrappy is a famous Python library which is used in data mining to gather information from APIs or even build a data crawling bots like Spider and to retrieve the information and create or collect some useful URL or contact information. So this is mostly used in machine learning models. So our next library is Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup is another popular Python library which is mostly used for web crawling. It is just used to gather the information from the web pages and create it into CSV or put it in the APIs. So these two libraries are used for data scraping widely. These are the famous libraries which are used by data scrappers to scrap the data from any servers or web pages. And our next library is Numpy. So the NumPy library is a perfect scientific tool or a programming tool which is used to perform array operations. So there is another name for this tool which is array and matrix in Python. So this used to perform the array operations and matrix operations in by using Python, this library. So our fourth library is Scrappy. Scrappy is used to perform the linear algebra or integration or even some statistical operations. It is a best scientific tool for projects and some other routine numerical and optimal integrations or submodels. So our fifth library is Pandas. Pandas is the fastest and powerful, flexible and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool. So it can convert data structures to data frames and objects, and even it must have for data wrangling, manipulation and data visualization. So these three libraries come under data processing section. Data processing is nothing but we just pre-process the collected data into the IDE of your choice and clean the data and import data into that IDE before performing some operations. Our sixth library is Keras. Keras is nothing but a deep learning open source free software which is used to interact with ANN. ANN or ANN means artificial neural network, and it also gets interacted with TensorFlow library which is created by Google. So our seventh library is Scikit-Learn. Scikit-Learn is a free software for machine learning libraries like clustering, regression, and clustering algorithm, and some other famous machine learning algorithms which are used by data scientists. So our eighth library is Pytorch. Pytorch is a free open source machine learning library used by data scientists for applications such as computer vision and natural language processing. So this allows them to perform tensor computation of GPUs. So our ninth library is TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is actually created by Google. TensorFlow is a free and open source software for machine learning and as well as for artificial intelligence. It is across the task to perform and focus the training on the deep neural networks. Then our 10th library is XGBoost. The library is used to implement machine learning algorithms under gradient boost framework. So these four modeling libraries are used to train data science models using deep learning and machine learning. Let's go to our 11th library, which is Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a library which is used to create animated and interactive visualization using Python. It provides an object-oriented API also. Seaborn is our 12th library. Seaborn is a Python visualization library used based on the Matplotlib. Book. The library is a great tool for creating interactive and scalable visualization graphs using JavaScript widgets. Plotty. So this web-based tool for data visualization that offers many useful out-of-box graphics. This library works well in interactive web applications. So PyDot. This is our final library, PyDot. The library helps to generate oriented and non-oriented graphs in several interface to graphical visualization. So these are the 15 important libraries every data scientist or a Python developer should know. Don't forget to comment your favorite library in this, and also I'll be providing the link of this article in the description. Do check out this article. And that's all for today's video. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Medium. Thank you. Our 13th library is Bok. So this library is a great tool for creating interactive and scalable visualizations, and Bok is fully independent of Matplotlib. Next comes 14th library, which is Plotty. Plotty is a web-based visualization tool which offers us many out-of-the-box graphics. It works well and interactive in web-based application. Our final library is PyDot. This library helps us to generate oriented and non-oriented graphs and serves as an interface to graphical visualizations, and it helps us to create or develop algorithms based on neural network and decision tree. So these are the 15 libraries. In this, the 11th to 15th library, these five libraries are visualization libraries, which are just used in visualization of the data and check whether the data is performing well or not. For example, if you take price of some particular product and it is just used to visualize, these libraries helps you to visualize based on years and see in which year the losses occur and in which year the profit occurs. So that's all for today's video. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also comment your favorite Python library below. And if you feel bored to read this entire article, you have your option to listen in Medium. You can just listen my article instead of reading. I'll be giving the link of this article in the description. Please check out this article and also follow me on Medium. Thank you. Bye bye.